Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, and your presenter with a special immigration report, Termination of Temporary Protected Status, TPS, for over 600,000 Venezuelan migrants residing in the United States. On January 29, 2025, President Donald Trump's administration announced the termination of Temporary Protected Status, TPS, for over 600,000 Venezuelan migrants residing in the United States. This decision, declared by Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem, reverses an 18-month extension granted during the Biden administration, which had provided deportation relief and work permits to Venezuelan nationals. Background on TPS. Temporary Protected Status is a humanitarian program established by Congress in 1990. Allowing the U.S. government to grant temporary legal status to nationals from countries experiencing extraordinary conditions, such as armed conflict or environmental disasters. Beneficiaries are permitted to live and work in the U.S. for designated periods, with the possibility of extensions based on ongoing assessments. Rationale behind the termination. Secretary Noem criticized her predecessor, Alejandro Mayorkas, for extending TPS to a significant number of Venezuelan migrants, alleging that it enabled them to remain in the country and potentially violate laws for an additional 18 months. She emphasized the need for federal agents to evaluate these individuals, including members of groups like Tren de Aragua, to enhance national security. Implications for Venezuelan migrants. The revocation of TPS places hundreds of thousands of Venezuelans at risk of deportation. Many of these individuals have established deep roots in U.S. communities, contributing to the economy and society. The sudden change in status could lead to significant disruptions in their lives, including loss of employment, separation from family members, and potential return to unstable conditions in Venezuela. Legal and political context. The decision aligns with President Trump's broader agenda to tighten immigration policies and reassess humanitarian programs he perceives as overextended. During his first term, similar attempts to terminate TPS for countries like Haiti and El Salvador faced legal challenges, resulting in temporary blocks by federal courts. The current administration's move may also encounter legal opposition, as advocacy groups and affected individuals seek to challenge the termination in court. Community responses. In various U.S. communities with significant Venezuelan populations, the announcement has sparked fear and uncertainty. Many migrants are concerned about the prospect of returning to a country still grappling with economic hardship and political instability. Community organizations and leaders are mobilizing to provide support, disseminate information, and explore legal avenues to protect affected individuals. The termination of TPS for Venezuelan migrants marks a pivotal shift in U.S. immigration policy, reflecting the administration's commitment to stringent enforcement. As the situation evolves, it will be crucial to monitor the legal challenges and the broader impact on both the Venezuelan community and U.S. society at large.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.